Okie dokie, I'm back. See, I still got some milk left in my cereal bowl, so I won't be out there for too long so I can finish my milk. But, I'm gonna find my umbrella, and I'm gonna head outside. Where could it be? Okay. I think I go this way. I can make sure to find it. Oh, by the way, found a caterpillar, a newborn caterpillar in my backyard, and put it in this little container. You can't see it because he's underneath the leaf. I don't know if it's he or she. I haven't checked yet, but here's my basil plants. They're growing really well. Got a bigger pot too. Okay. Oh, look, there it is. Okay. I know you can't see right now. Oh, wait, yeah, you can. Okay, here's my door. Very windy and cold. Maybe not too cold. But let me open the door. Okay. Leo. Alright. Alright, hold on. See, I got my umbrella. Let me just press this button right here and hold on. There we go. Give me a few seconds. Okie dokie. I want to see if I can find some lightning. Ah, there went my umbrella. I don't want it to go inside out. It's very wet. It's super wet and windy. There's no lightning yet. Oh! Battery's low on my phone. I'll have to hurry up, guys. I'm gonna film out in the sky. I'm gonna go look back this way too. Whoa, look at that. Woo-wee! Quite a storm. My umbrella's gonna turn inside out. Probably. It's done it many times. It's not a very expensive umbrella. I just bought it. Or I just had my dad buy it because it was cheap, and it was gonna work. But it does turn out. It does turn inside out a lot. It was that the neighbor's porch light went out. The lights inside my house didn't go out. Nope, they didn't. Good. There's a trash can over there blowing around. I know it's difficult for you guys to see, but woo-wee. Go this way. Give me a few seconds, guys. My umbrella's acting funny. Gotta wait for this wind to stop. Okay, and also I don't want to film the neighbor's license plate. Wowie. Okay, guys, it's getting a little serious out here. By the wind, I mean. The storm is fine. It's actually a lot less than it was earlier. Why are my cats out here in the first place? I don't know. Okay, I'll see you guys later.